Hi guys, and welcome to the next episode of How to Make a Treatment Note. This is the opening slide. This page has one job. Before anybody reads a single word of your treatment, what do they feel? Because that's what's happening here. The client does not read the director's note, the character breakdown, or the narrative approach. Nothing. They've only seen their brand name, the director's name, and the image that you've placed. And yet, they are already forming an opinion. What this page is actually doing. Look at the image that we are presenting. It's not laundry, it's not bleach, a product demo. Instead, it's two women taking a selfie, smiling, feeling modern, feeling connected. Immediately, the treatment is telling us this is a relationship film first and a product film second, before we even started to read a word. Lesson number 1. A treatment note begins before the writing begins. It begins with the cover page. The cover page should communicate what is the emotional world. Fun, luxury, emotional, aspirational, funny, grounded. Example, if this were a luxury perfume ad, the cover image would look completely different. If this was a hard-hitting social issue film, again completely different. If this was a comedy, completely different. The cover page is already pitching the tone. Now, why does this particular cover page work? This cover, what does it tell you? It gives you these ideas in mind. Young, modern, female, relatable and bright, lifestyle driven. And interestingly, it does not really tell me anything about bleach because the director understands that people don't buy bleach. What do people buy? Confidence, relationships, a lifestyle and aspirations. It is also very important, I think, in certain brands to use the color of the brands in your cover page. Like if you're speaking about Colgate, it is necessary to have red or white present in your cover page. Because for your client and for your agency, that brand is like their main film. If you're doing an ad for Parachute, then using blue and white is very essential. Using the brand colors throughout the deck is actually considered to be a full advantage for the creator because for sure, if you follow these guidelines, they are going to be interested in reading the rest of your treatment note. A couple of years ago, obviously, our cover pages were made by using references from different ads or films that were resonating with our brand, right? But in today's time, we are lucky enough to be very accessible to AI. So something like an AI really helps you get very close to what your film is actually going to be about. Hence, you will notice that a lot of directors, a lot of people who prepare decks use AI to their advantage for creating a cover page that is so close to the ad film that no agency person or creative person will be able to look away. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And a small trivia question, if you know the full form of the word PPM, which is generously used in the ad world, write it down in the comments below. See you next time.